Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta number plate bulb. Park on level ground, switch off ignition, and open the boot to reach the bulb area. Remove the light cover carefully using a flathead screwdriver, then twist out the old bulb and insert the new matching bulb. Test the light before reassembling the cover and dispose of the old bulb safely. Start by inspecting the light cover and clips. You want to avoid forcing anything. Use a flathead screwdriver with gentle pressure to unclip the cover and keep screws or clips in a safe place. Work slowly to prevent scratching paint or cracking plastic, and if a clip resists, try a slightly different angle rather than extra force. Once free, set the cover aside on a soft surface to avoid damage. Grip the bulb holder and turn anticlockwise or pull straight out depending on your Fiesta model. Replace the old bulb with the correct type, pushing it in firmly until it seats and makes good contact. Reinsert the holder, test the number plate light to confirm operation, and then realign and snap the cover back into place. Double-check clips and screws so the cover sits flush and secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.